As a part of the SI Center of Excellence, I'm doing thought leadership work and company research. The thought leadership agenda is developed from two perspectives. The first is basically bottom-up from the SI research team, the active ownership team, and our investment teams. They have a ton of great ideas and give us requests that we can bring to fruition. On the other side, we're following the market, looking at sustainable development trends and economic trends to bring ideas that we think will be interesting to these internal parties, as well as to our clients. So 2 years ago now, Robeco created a climate change task force to help us deliver on our promise to contribute to the Paris Agreement and decarbonize our portfolios. And we've reached a lot of great milestones in that time. We've built a carbon tool that allows us to measure the footprint of every portfolio in the company up to the group level, visualizing where our risks are. Footprint is by nature static and backward-looking, so we've also developed a climate risk score, which integrates our perspectives and data on transition risk, adaptive capacity, and company strategy. This score has been used to develop a stress testing approach that helps us to monitor risks in our portfolios.
The main way we assess impact is in terms of our footprint indicators. Those include a focus on carbon. We look at energy. We also look at water consumption in the portfolio. And finally, we also look at the amount of waste that's being consumed or generated in our portfolios. And then finally, we also have much more specialized thematic strategies. And in those strategies, we actually make much more detailed impact measurements in very specific areas such as health, water, gender, as well as energy.
Our first SDG strategy is about to hit its 3-year anniversary, and the framework has changed a lot during that time. It consists of 2 parts basically. First is mapping business activities, products and services to specific SDGs, and doing the same for operational impacts and controversial conduct. So really at the moment we're refining that, it's more evolution to make clear what judgments we're making, how we view pros and cons. And in the future, we'll be focusing much more on impact and impact measurement.
But at the same time, there's areas that are not covered under the SDGs, such as topics related to artificial intelligence, the social impact of AI, as well as digital rights and so on, privacy, cybersecurity. So there's a wide range of topics that we focus on.